What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. Today I'm going to show you guys a pretty neat little trick to stay organized when you're producing and mixing. I like to have all my plugins organized so I can grab them quickly when I'm producing or mixing. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. So let's get started. Go to Studio, go to VST plugin manager, make sure VST effects is selected. Go to this plus sign, click on this new collection, click on empty. Now we can name the collection. I'm gonna name it vocal. Hit enter. So all the plugins that you have installed, whether third-party or stock plugins, will appear here on the left. Now I'm gonna add all the plugins that I usually use for vocal straight to the collection by just dragging them to the right. Okay, I'm gonna add compressor and saturation plugin. Let's go ahead and add Echo Boy and a limiter. So once I added all these plugins to the collections, now I can add a folder by clicking on this folder icon. Okay, let's go ahead and name the folder. Now I'm gonna drag the plugins into the folder. Okay, now I'm going to close the plugin manager and go to the right zone under media tab. I have these vocal folders already added here. Now my go-to plugins are together and I can add them quickly to my tracks when I'm producing or mixing a song. You can create as many collections and folders you want. Now let's go ahead and add drum effects folders. Let's go to the studio, go to plugin manager. Here we have the vocal folder. Let's add a new collection. Let's name it drums. Okay, let's add compressor. Okay, I'm going to search for EQ. Where is it? Okay, now I'm going to add soothe. Now you can see as I add the plugins to the collection, the plugins folder in the media tab is being updated in real time. Now I'm going to add a folder, drag them into the folder. Now I have all these plugins available for me when I'm mixing. I can go to the drums right here and vocals right here. It is a very simple trick that you should know, which will allow you to produce in a more faster and productive way. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my next video. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.